Hey guys, this is Mrs. Pikarski. Today I'm going to show you guys a game that we can use to practice our addition and subtraction that we've been working on. What I'm using at home is I have Uno at my house. If you have Uno, you can use this to play this game, or you can use the deck of cards that we sent you in your packets to play this game, because what I've done is I've separated out all of the special Uno cards like wild and reverse and things like that. I'm not going to use those for this game. So you can use this with any deck of cards. I'm just using my Uno cards because I have them at my house. Now, the only other thing you need to play this game is I just took a little sheet of paper, and if you can see that, I just put a plus sign and a minus sign, right? So that's the only things you need is a deck of cards, and if you have paper and a pencil or a marker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my deck of cards and separate them into two smaller decks. I'm going to put them in front of me. And I'm going to choose if I want to do addition problems or subtraction problems. And you can mix them up. You can do both. I'll show you an example of each problem. We'll do it together. And then if you want to play this game at home with your parents or your grandparents or whoever, you can. So I'm going to start with addition. So I have my plus sign, right? Because that tells us we're joining two groups together. Okay? So I'm going to put my plus sign down on the table. I'm going to take the top card without looking, right? Because if we're looking ahead, then we're just picking out the numbers we want, and that's kind of cheating. So I'm going to take the first card off the top, and what is that number? I got a 5, okay? So I'm going to put that down. And then for my second deck, oh, I got another 5, okay? So my problem, and I'm going to hold this up so you can see it the best I can, okay? I got 5 plus 5, okay? So I want you to think at home, use our different ways we can figure it out. You can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, right? You can count on, right? Start at 5 and count 5 more. I'm gonna use my hands to figure this out. I have 5 plus 5. So I'm gonna count 5 on one hand, 5 on the other, and see what my answer is. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 5 plus 5. What would my answer be? 10, right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, so what you can do is you can just keep going and just keep flipping over the next card, putting it on top, and just keep doing addition problems. I'm going to do a subtraction problem now to show you. Okay, so my next number, I'm going to show you again. What did I get? I got another 5, okay? So now I have 5, and what do we call this sign? Our minus sign. So I have 5 minus, okay. Now I'm going to show you what happened actually. I got a number. What is this number? Right? See if you can see that. I got a 9. Now, can I take 9 away from 5? No, I can't, because 9 is greater than 5. So I'm going to put that off to the side. So if that happens to you when you're doing subtraction problems, you get a number that's bigger than the number you started with, you can't take that away. So you have to keep going. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going until I get a number that's smaller than 5, that's less than 5. Okay, so I got one. What is my number? 4, right? We talked about sometimes people write 4s this way. So I got 5 minus, or take away 4. Let me make sure I'm holding this so you guys can see it correctly. Okay, either way, I'm taking away 4 from 5, okay? So let's figure this out. 5, and I need to take away 4, so I'm going to count as I take away 4. So I'm going to count minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many does that leave? Only my pinky finger, right? So 5 minus 4 equals 1. So that's one way we can figure it out. If you have paper and pencil at home and you want to draw pictures to figure it out, that's another way. And like I said, you can just keep changing between the two signs if you want to practice that way. This is just a quick little game that you can play to practice our addition subtraction if you want with your deck of cards at home. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I sure had fun playing this game. and I hope that you guys are doing well at home. Let me know if you have any other kind of games that you want to learn about, right? So these are some addition and subtraction games. If there's any other stuff that you want to learn about, let me know and I'll try to make a video for you guys. I really miss you and I hope you're all doing well. Have a good day. Bye.